Hi, I'm James.
Hi, I'm Sharon.
We are A&W Studios. So, this is the skeleton of a sheefish. This is what the crows were looking at earlier. I thought there was a hole over here, but somebody had come out and cleaned their sheefish up. But this beast is what I'm fishing for. And that's pretty big, actually. You can see it's about 3 feet. So this is what I'm out here looking for. Hopefully I can find it. A hole that's open, that's close by. But if not, it's a beautiful day. It's about 30 degrees out. And hopefully get some fishing done. Can't see it, but right where those little mountains are, there's some fishermen over there. I'm gonna go back to my old spot and see if there's anything. All right, see you then. So I was walking along, ran across this female caribou head. Interesting. Might get a picture of that in the sunlight. Still looking for an open hole, haven't found any yet. Well, managed to find one. There's actually 3 open holes over here. One right here. Can't really see it. Come over to this side. One right here. Did bust that one open. Looked like they caught something. Kind of looked like herring to me. Anyways, I'm gonna give it a shot. I'll leave the camera out. It's warm. It's about 30 degrees, like I said earlier. If I get something, I'll start recording. Until then. We got some. Nope. Empty hook. We lost it. Try again. So I can feel something playing around with it. It's trying to bite it. It's like small. There it is. Come on. There we go. Tomcod. We got him. There's one. Maybe we can get another one. Saying where these guys are, there should be sheefish too. You kind of feel them messing around with it. Got another one. Yeah, another one. He's not bad. Alright, see if we do it again. Make sure the camera's right. Tie himself up in a knot. I really took it. definitely a lot fatter than that other one. So a lot of the locals are fishing for the sheefish, which I'm not gonna lie, I wouldn't mind having the sheefish, but these guys are good fun. I don't mind them. They taste pretty good too. Got another bite. There he is. See if we can get another. Now, before when I was doing this, I would jig it quite a bit, and that's what my mistake was. I would jig it quite a bit, and I wouldn't be catching them. So now I'm just letting it sit down there, do its thing. So I'm gonna wrap this around there so I don't accidentally dump it in the hole like I almost did earlier. I almost didn't bring this little fishing needle, and then I was like, you know, I might as well bring it out here. Glad I did. Can still feel it moving around down there. Old Elmer, or Richard, old Richard, he was telling me about how if you have a pixie, catch sheefish and these tomcods all day long when they're biting. And so far he is right. I think Richard. Like the Herc's coming in for a landing. String these guys, bring them in to the hotel. This twine is what I use to mend my nets. There we go. Ravens out. Picking up like whatever fish or stuff is left down. They're happy. Town seems to be out moving around quite a bit. It's a beautiful day for fishing, getting out. People by the hotel, looks like they're fishing over there. If I would have known they were going to punch a hole, I might have stayed over there. So I'd have to do this walk, but it is worthwhile. barely tag at this thing. Come on, guy. He didn't want. Wonder if them folks are having luck with sheefish over there. Yeah, they're still messing around with it. You can feel the vibration on the fishing line. There we go. That's it. Yeah, like a little dead pull on them. Even a trout bites harder than they do. It's a little difficult unless you feel them wiggling around to see if you got a bite. Here. Not big. Okay. No more than merry. That's 7. And get ready to click over just 10 minutes. 10 minutes fishing. There he is. I think I just lost him. Yeah, I don't feel him. Just lost him. He wanted it though. He'll come back. Yeah, he'll come back. Really hoping to take my boy out here, Jonathan, and hoping to take my wife out here so they could experience some of this Kotzebue stuff. Well, just village stuff in general. It's not something people get to do. Yeah, I know this really isn't a village, it's more like a small city. It's like Bethel. But still, I mean, they haven't experienced this life before. They haven't seen it. Good for them. Well, we're nearing about 12 minutes on the camera. Oh, got another bite. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, I think I lost him. Lost him. All right, let's try again. Try again. Must be a smaller guy. I don't know. He felt a little bit heavier. Felt a little bit bigger than that last one I pulled up. Might need to put a little bit more line down. A little bit further, maybe. I don't know. can feel him tagging it. Boy, you know you want. Feel like it on me. Ski on me. There you be. Alright, well, we're around in 14 minutes. I think I'll go ahead and cut it off and keep fishing. Hope you enjoyed this little clip. If we get something big, I will come back and record that. Bye, everybody. Alright, hello everybody. I just came back from ice fishing and one of those bullheads, real ugly fish, but I did record it earlier, so you get to see me catch at least, I think it was seven, but got to capture it. Had a great time today. Glad I went out. Went and sold some product before I came over, rested a little bit, got to talk to my wife and son, and then sun was out and decided to head out there and check it out. Unfortunately, my favorite pair of glasses broke. They were in my pocket, and as I was walking back after getting the time lapse of the sunset, a nice lady come driving up on a snowmobile. I don't even know who she was. She was all covered up. Asked me if I wanted to ride to the hotel. Saved me about a 20-minute walk, so that was nice. Now it's time to get some rest. I got the fish in a cooler on the ice, and hopefully I can get those over to Elmer's so he can get them froze up so I can take them home. All right, everybody, have a good night.